What's going on, guys? Tyler here, back with another video, and today we're going to be replacing the front air dam on my C6 Corvette. Starting with, got the vehicle jacked up, took the wheels off, although that's not necessary for this. Actually, you could get away with leaving the vehicle on, but I think getting it raised up a little bit is going to be quite helpful, unless you happen to be particularly a thin individual. But this is part of a series of parts that I'm installing in videos that I'm making, so that's why I have the tires off. But to start with, we have a series of 9/32 bolts that we're gonna undo. We got 3 that hold this side piece on. We'll hit those first. Same thing on the other side. Now bringing you guys in a little closer, for this centerpiece here, we got 3 10mm bolts running across here. And then we're also gonna need to take off some more of those 9/32 bolts. We got 1 here, then 3 going across here, and 1 more in here. And then that will give us access to pull the front bumper down just a little bit to get to some push style tabs. And those push style tabs look like this. And just pull them on out, and then that'll be able to get this middle piece out. And then those push tabs are actually not currently installed on mine, so mine can just drop on out from this point. Just gotta work it a little bit. But now that we got our old one out, we can put our new one in. My new one also came with a new bag of hardware, so if I'm missing anything, I'll use these, but otherwise I'll probably just reuse the old hardware. But we'll put it back in the exact same way it came out. Putting it back in now, slid it into place. I'm gonna start with the 10mm bolts here in the middle. All right, we got those 3 bolts in. Now I'm gonna crack into the new bag for the push tabs. But yeah, same way they came out, just kind of peel the bumper back. There we go. Our front piece is secure. Now we just got our 9/32 bolts to reattach here on the front. And then back over here, we got our new side piece, 3 bolts, putting it back right in where we went. And then you can see kind of the groove here. This will sit behind the center piece. I know there is a hole that looks like it connects the side piece and the middle piece together. My hardware packet didn't come with any new bolts there, so I'm not sure if bolts actually went there in the first place. But I'm going to call this complete. We installed the side piece on the other side as well. But thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and have a great day.